Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And today I want to talk with you guys about Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu has definitely been one of the craziest coins over the last couple of days, and the good part is we have been talking about it for a good while. And so I really kind of believe that everybody was ready for this. Then again, every single time I upload a video on Shiba Inu, I lose a ton of subscribers. So guys, if you could help out by pressing that like button and potentially subscribing if you enjoyed this type of news, it would greatly be appreciated. And let's dive right into the news of today. So yeah, we've basically covered Shiba Inu quite a couple of times throughout here, and even on my second channel, 5 Minute Crypto, we've covered it quite a significant amount of times. You know, here, for example, I was actually dedicating a good little amount of time to Shiba because looking back in hindsight, this stuff was poised to happen, basically. And what am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about a rise above the all-time high. Two things to say. One, you can actually trade it on Bybit, which is pretty damn huge. And two, what I basically said is the moment we will pass all-time high, things are going to go quite quickly. And right now, the all-time high was basically 38 parts of a cent. Right now, it's shot up like crazy, like a snap. And this is the price per 1,000, so don't let this misjudge you. However, we've gone up to about 43, basically meaning about, let's say, 15% or so increase from the all-time high in a snap, purely because we hit it. And why did we, and where are we going? Well, I believe we did it, like I said yesterday, because of the, I'm going to say, Robinhood situation. Then again, there have been a couple of cool pieces that have added to it. For example, Shiba Swap, new pairs added plus burn. Shiba community asked for a burn, and Shiba Swap devs have listened and are delivering. As one part of the new listing plans, they have implemented a burn procedure to reduce the Shiba and leash supply. But more importantly, Shiba Inu becoming a little bit more, I guess, deflationary, which is rather interesting. They were already deflationary from the get-go, I kind of guess, but this is just making it better. And I guess the whole Robinhood situation, like I was describing throughout the last week, and even on Twitter, I think yesterday I told you guys, the moment that Robinhood speculations start to pick up, the price will rise. That's what he's doing right now. Robinhood put up a survey basically asking what coins have you traded. Shiba was in that list, and so people are anticipating, like I am, that eventually Robinhood will list it. And the thing with that is, guys, it doesn't really matter when exactly they do, but the moment that they do list it, the price is going to pump. Since we all knew that, it's only a matter of, okay, when am I going to buy in to get the most amount of gains? And when should I buy the rumor, sell the news? That should kind of be your question. If every single one of us knew, like we did, that the price would certainly go up because of a Robinhood listing, and a Robinhood listing is becoming more and more apparent and more certain, shouldn't we just buy in? And that's exactly what my thought process was throughout the last week or so. And specifically for the last day and a half, I've been telling you guys to actually potentially look into buying something, which normally I would never say for Shiba because I think it's irresponsible. It's not a good crypto in the way that it was made in any way, shape, or form, but it's turning out to be a really, really nice money grabber. Then again, if you're asking me, is this what crypto is all about? I am saying no. Then again, I'm just trying to help you guys earn some money with this crypto stuff. And right now, if you want to earn yourself a $3,500 bonus, you should check out Bybit. A link is down below. You can actually trade it on here, as I've said. It's just been green days ever since it started. And I think Shiba Inu is just going to get on so many new exchanges that there's a lot of price exploration coming up. Now, Shiba Inu is also inching closer and closer and closer to Dogecoin. If you honestly ask me, like I've been saying, I think Shiba Inu is going to beat him. And again, it's just been crazy gains throughout the last week or so, but more importantly, crazy volume. It really is insane how much money is flowing in and how much volume is just basically going around right now. Shiba Inu hits all-time high because most traded cryptocurrency, or becomes the most traded cryptocurrency on Coinbase. It already happened before, but right now, again, with some huge margins. Shiba Inu volume is maddening. It really is crazy, guys. It's literally absolutely insane how much money is flowing around in this. Let's check the other ones out. Shiba Inu gears to flip Dogecoin anytime soon. Once more, I completely agree with that. Shiba Inu hits an all-time high as $4.6 billion inflows into Shiba Inu in a day. Then again, guys, make sure you understand that market cap increases and literal inflows of money are not the same thing, but it basically means the valuation is a couple $1 billion higher. Think about that. A couple $1 billion, mostly based upon this, what we covered yesterday. Breaking news, Robinhood is emailing this survey to selected users of their platform. They are including SHIB as one of the answers to select, clearly doing market research on what their consumers want. And you can see XRP was in that list, which was exciting to me. But more importantly, Shiba was in that list. And people right now are buying the rumors, selling the news. And so if you're asking me, should I buy now? I'm giving you a very big, I don't freaking know. That's scary, but I mean, it could happen. Because the Robinhood listing itself has not happened just quite yet. It's just people's speculation. Then again, the speculation was very well placed because look at these numbers as well. Shiba Inu just soared 35% to a new all-time high, but $1,000 invested in January 1st of this year right now would have you $500 million. And guys, even though I was a pretty early Shiba investor and I made a very big amount of money, I'm just going to be honest with that, I didn't make $500 million. But think about that. Just 1,000. And this is again this is the power of freaking crypto, like I've been telling you guys. Right now, to turn your 1,000 into 500 million is going to be difficult because we already are so big. However, this is why we keep going for some smaller coins every here and there too. Guys, make sure you press that like button. We've been talking about Shiba for a couple of months. It's so fun to see $1,000 turning into freaking 500 million. 500 million. Can you even think about that? Can you even think about how crazy that is to turn $1,000 to 500 million in such a short amount of time, in like 10 months? Later on, the team behind the project entered the NFT mania by announcing plans to release a digital collection of over 10,000 lovable creatures. At that time, when they launched this, I was actually not really excited about Shiba at all anymore. They really let me down for a little bit. Then again, all the people that didn't give up, big props to you, man, because right now, I guess your fruits are bearing off, huh? Shiba Inu is acting like a freaking beast. 50% up today, I believe, as well. Let's check it out. 55% up on the day, 6.5% up on the hour, right now going towards 45 points of ascent, just surging. And I do really wonder, is it all just because of the Robinhood speculation from yesterday? Because, yeah, I honestly think they're going to list it, but I already was thinking so before as well. So I don't know really what changed there, why people are all of a sudden buying in like mad. I guess it might also have to do with the fact that it's just bull season again. Bitcoin made an all-time high. People are generally excited about cryptocurrencies again. And the fact that Shiba beat its all-time high. And like I've said before, most coins after beating all-time high go on a little bit of a rush. Right now, Shiba Inu is witnessing that exact same thing as well. Then again, if you're asking me if, I guess let's call it 10 cents on this scale, or basically 0.0001 is possible for Shiba in the very short term here. Yes, Shiba Inu can easily double, but I think the first step to just watch out for is for Shiba to overtake Dogecoin, which would basically need only, I'm going to say 30-40% gains or so to get to that point. It's not too crazy. It can definitely happen. And it's the time for the freaking bull season, man. Some coins are falling right now, as times are crazy. But it's funny to see Shiba Inu pumping like this, even though the market is falling a little bit. Yet again, if you're wondering, guys, I'm just opening more and more long positions and layering my way down, because I know I've had this, or made this mistake so many times that I think, oh, the bull season must now be over. It's now done. Blah, blah, blah. Every single time people make this mistake. It's sticking to your initial feeling in the sense of it's bullish, so we stay bullish. We don't change our mind. It's a bull season, so we should keep longing instead of shorting. That's just me, though. All right, guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully, y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys again in another crypto video. Shiba to the moon, I guess, huh?